Hi guys, it's Dr. Femi here from the Print Haven. How are you all doing? Today I have the most amazing gift box to show you. If you want to gift that Christian mentor or that Christian relative or just someone very, very special to you, I have the most amazing gift box for you, and I'll be displaying it right after this. Welcome back, guys. As I said earlier, if you have that special Christian person, lady that you want to give, this is a perfect box. It's a ready to go box, so you don't even have to add or remove anything else. So I'm just going to go right to it. But before that, remember to subscribe to our channel. Please like the video and leave a comment on that. Also, turn on your notifications so that you can get notified once we upload a video. So let's get right to it. As I said, it's a ready-to-go box. It has all the useful, practical items that you would want for that special Christian lady. So in here we have a plush pillow. And on here it says, be strong, be brave, be fearless. You are never alone. A scripture from the book of Joshua chapter 1 verse 9. And we have this scripture on all the items. Isn't that amazing? And guess what, guys? You can also include their names. So for me, I will put my name Femi on the top and say, Femi, be strong, be brave, be fearless. You are never alone. This is a tumbler that keeps ice. You can keep cold for more than 24 hours. This amazing, especially for our weather. Beautiful. This is a beautiful journal which has scriptures on every single page, right? So that person can just take down notes during Bible study or when they're in church. Beautiful journal, also nicely foiled. And then we also have our fridge magnets with the same scripture. Remember, it can also be personalized. And last but not the least, it has a greeting card on inside the box where you can write a personal message for that special person. So if the person is celebrating a birthday or it has a milestone celebration, this is the perfect box to gift that person. I hope you guys like it. Please leave a comment down below. And remember, you can click on the link below to get in touch with us. We'll be ready to attend to you. Until next time, guys. See ya.